Welcome back to the channel, guys, and for today we'll be looking at 4 of the most popular AI headshot generators. In this video, we're going to talk about their features, who are they for, and which tool is the best fit for you. First up is Headshot Pro. Headshot Pro is engineered for professional consistency and scale, making it a premier choice for companies and teams. It excels in producing a high volume of cohesive headshots that maintain a uniform style, lighting, and branding across an entire organization. This is particularly valuable for remote or distributed workforce that need to project a unified image. Instead of focusing on artistic individuality, its core strength lies in delivering reliable, corporate-ready portraits that are optimized for business websites, internal directories, and professional networking platforms. Headshot Pro is built around a robust team management system. Core features include a centralized dashboard for administrators to upload photos for multiple team members at once and manage the entire process efficiently. Users can select specific clothing style before generation, offering a degree of control not found in all competitors. A key differentiator is the ability to create and apply branded templates, ensuring every headshot aligns with company colors and logos. The platform promises photorealistic results and provides a large variety of dynamic, natural-looking poses. It also includes an integrated cropping and export tool, allowing for quick optimization for platforms like LinkedIn, Google Workspace, and Slack. All generated headshots are high resolution, suitable for both digital and print use, with a commercial license included. The service also offers a redo option and satisfaction guarantee. The platform's biggest advantage is its frictionless and cohesive output for teams. In tests, it produced remarkably consistent photos across multiple employees, avoiding the strange variation in style that can plague other AI tools. We were impressed by the high degree of photorealism and the natural-looking poses it generated. The unique ability to pre-select clothing styles provide welcome control over the final look, and the branded template feature is a significant asset for maintaining a polished and professional corporate identity. But on the other hand, the user interface is highly utilitarian and lacks the creative flair or playful design of more individual-focused generators. Its style range is intentionally corporate, making it less suitable for creators, artists, or professionals who desire a trendier or more expressive portrait for their personal brand. For pricing, individual plan starts at $29 for one person, which includes 40 headshots with 4 unique backdrops and outfit. The team plan is a custom pricing that is available based on the number of team members. Next up is Try It On AI. Try It On AI carves out its niche by offering a more artistic and expressive approach to AI headshots. It caters to creators, writers, consultants, and professionals who want to move beyond the stiff corporate portrait. The platform provides a diverse palette of styles, ranging from business casual to moody and editorial, allowing users to generate images that feel more personal and aligned with a specific aesthetic. It focuses on creating portrait with softer textures, more dynamic lighting, and a generally more playful and modern feel. Try It On AI allows users to upload their selfies and choose from a wide array of aesthetic templates in addition to standard professional ones. A standout capability is the built-in color grading option that adds a cinematic or editorial touch to the final image. The AI is trained to produce realistic hair and skin textures, avoiding an overly plastic or airbrushed look. It excels at matching the lighting and tone of the background to the subject's face, creating a more integrated and believable final composition. The platform boasts a rapid generation time, often delivering results in as little as 10 to 30 minutes. It also includes an AI image editor for further enhancements and a Creative Studio subscription for users who want to generate a variety of custom portraits regularly. We love the sheer variety and expressiveness of the portraits. The backgrounds feel well integrated and thoughtfully matched to the subject's lighting, which makes the final image much more believable. The ability to choose from a wide spectrum of styles, from smiling and approachable to serious and editorial, provides incredible versatility. The results feel more personal and less generic than many competitors, making it an excellent tool for building a distinct personal brand online, with some results being truly usable. However, the AI can occasionally struggle with accurately rendering accessories, particularly glasses or large, complex earrings, sometimes leading to minor distortions. The final quality can be inconsistent if the lighting in the uploaded selfies varies significantly, resulting in some hit or miss batches that lack consistency. For the pricing, Express AI Headshot starts at $17 for 100 AI generated images. Creative Studio subscription begins at $19 per month for a set number of images. Next up is BetterPick.io. BetterPick.io stands out in the crowd AI headshot market by prioritizing speed and exceptional user-friendly experience. It is designed for individuals who need high quality, polished, and professional portrait with a minimal learning curve and a rapid turnaround. This platform is the ideal solution for job seekers, busy professionals, and anyone who needs a clean headshot for LinkedIn or a CV without the hassle of complex setup. It successfully balances quality with efficiency, making professional headshot highly accessible. The platform's workflow is incredibly streamlined, requiring just 10 to 20 photo uploads to generate over 80 headshots in as little as an hour. Users can select from over 150 styles with options for different backgrounds, outfits, and expressions. A key feature is the AI Studio, which allows users to perform edits on their favorite results, such as changing backgrounds or outfits after generation. BetterPick also offers manual photo edits by their team for more fine-tuned results. Uniquely, it features an AI upload assistant that analyzes input photos to help ensure higher quality outputs. The service guarantees results with a redo option and a 7-day refund policy, and all images are delivered in 4K resolution. BetterPick delivers impressively on its promise of speed, often producing a full gallery of options in under an hour. We are particularly impressed by the photo clarity and the consistency of facial features. The AI rarely creates strange distortions. The lighting in the final image feels very natural and professional. A major plus is that users are not required to create an account until they are ready to download their finished headshots, making the initial trial process completely frictionless. However, the service is heavily geared towards individual users and lacks the robust team management features found in platforms like Headshot Pro. Furthermore, the range of styles leans conservative and corporate, which is excellent for professional profiles but may not be ideal for creatives seeking a more artistic or trendy aesthetics. For pricing, the basic plan starts at $35 for 20 headshots in one style. Pro and Expert tiers are priced between $39 and $79. It unlocks more headshots, additional styles, faster delivery, and extra editing credits. Lastly, we have Aragon AI. Aragon AI's primary focus is on producing hyper-realistic headshots that are nearly indistinguishable from traditional photography. The platform is engineered to capture and preserve human-like detail, avoiding the overly smooth, plastic-like texture that can make AI-generated image look artificial. It is the best choice for users who are skeptical of AI and want a final product that looks authentic and require minimal, if any, suspicion of disbelief. Aragon delivers clean, high-fidelity portraits perfect for any professional application where realism is paramount. Aragon AI requires users to upload between 6 and 16 selfies from varied angles, which its sophisticated engine uses to create 40 to 100 high-resolution portraits. Its core technology excels in maintaining facial fidelity, preserving fine details like laugh lines, skin texture, and jaw contours. A key feature is the built-in retouching and editing engine that allows users to make optional adjustments to their favorite images, such as changing the background or fixing minor imperfections. The service offers specific professional packs with extended options for studio-style backgrounds and lighting setups. Aragon boasts an impressively fast turnaround time, with many users receiving their images in as little as 30 to 45 minutes. Aragon AI's standout quality is its incredible facial fidelity. The headshot it produces are stunningly realistic, retaining the natural textures and subtle imperfections that make a face look genuinely human. Even when provided with challenging side-facing selfies, the AI generated balanced and lifelike results. The built-in editor is a powerful addition for fine-tuning, and the speed of generation is a significant advantage. The final image looked polished and professional, not artificially generated. However, the user interface, particularly during peak demand, can feel slow and less responsive compared to some competitors. While the headshots are exceptionally clean and realistic, the platform does not offer a wide variety of expressive, artistic, or highly styled variations. You get a perfect headshot but not a lot of creative flair. Pricing starts at $35 for 40 headshots. The basic plan is at $45 for 60 headshots with more variety, and the premium tier is at $75 for 100 headshots with all attire and background options included. That wraps up our review of the best AI headshot generator. As affiliates, we've secured exclusive discounts for you. Check the description box below for links and coupon codes to save money on your purchase. Using them is a fantastic way to get a great deal and support our channel so we can continue creating helpful content. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I will be seeing you on the next one.